Viewers, I am sure by now all of you would have seen multiple videos that were recorded in relation to the shootout which took place at the intersection of Trafalgar and Hope Road in Kingston yesterday between the police and 3 gunmen. Now, initial reports surrounding the incident is that 2 of the gunmen were killed and 1 was in police custody. However, news has since emerged that confirmed yes, 2 of the gunmen were killed but that 1 had escaped. Now, I'll try to put things into context and give you some perspective and try to explain to you how the third person managed to escape.
Teach them! Always make sure the message will reach them!
Now, since news emerged that one of the men managed to escape, I know there has been a bit of confusion. You know, the police, they make the man escape and police corrupt and XYZ. And looking at the video clips that are available, it would be easy to say that, yeah man, 2 men dead and the police, all one. But if you pay close attention, you realize what really transpired. Now, this is how it went down. In the videos being circulated, there is the driver of the car slumped over in the vehicle. He was killed. There are also video clips in which one of the men was seen rolling on the road while the exchange of gunfire was taking place. And another video clip also shows where the police apprehended a man from a compound and brought him back to the area that the shooting had taken place earlier. I hope you are following so far. So those are the 3 men. The driver, the one who was rolling in the road while the shooting was taking place, and the one that the police brought back to the scene in handcuffs. 3 men, right? Now it's obvious that the driver is dead. Many people now have the view that the man that was seen rolling in the road is the man that was observed laying in the road dead after the shooting. That's not true. The man who can be seen laying in the road dead is the man that the police went to apprehend over by Abbey Court. Now let me explain. That man that you saw the police leading back to the scene, he ran early from the vehicle during the exchange of gunfire. The police went and they managed to apprehend him. They brought him back to the scene where the shooting took place and attempted to place him in a van. But he now was starting to lose consciousness. That is when the police realized that he was actually injured. He then collapsed and died in the road right there that you saw that man. So that man that you see laying in the road is the one that ran over to Abbey Court, who the police went for, and he was brought back out there. Now, he apparently was shot and injured during the exchange of gunfire, and he collapsed there and he died. Now that brings us to the 3rd man. The 3rd man is the man that can be seen rolling in the road while the shooting was taking place. So he crawled and rolled away. Apparently he rolled under some vehicles. Eventually he jumped into the back of a van and escaped from the scene. The police believe he is injured. So let me summarize that again. Yes, 3 gunmen. The driver who was shot and killed, the man who was seen rolling in the road while the shooting was taking place, and the one who ran over to Abbey Court and the police went to get him. The one that the police went to get over by Abbey Court, he apparently was shot. He collapsed and he died in the road. The man now who was seen rolling in the road, he rolled away under some vehicle, jumped into a van back and escaped. That is the situation.
Teach them! Hey yo, yellow! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!